No, hello there, people. I'm awakened. I'm awakened. Uh, they're attacking my left ear, coming from right over there. Voice to skull. I'm hearing a blink, 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 blink coming right in my left ear, and it's the FBI. I've contacted them well over 100 times tonight, but they're using this blink, blink, and I'm awakened at 1:15 this morning. American people, we are under attack by a bunch of fucking scientists who have no means to be in this country attacking other Americans. Why is that, Mr. President? Why do we have a bunch of fucking idiots running this country attacking our own people? I don't understand. Voice to Skull is living, and I hear a blink blink, so I'm calling them back, letting them know that I'm their voice to Skull. Thank you.